Okay, this is going to be a very short video on how to shrink a book cover from 300 dpi down to 72 dpi, which is the size you'll need to put it on the web, on social media. So I'm going to open up a book cover, this one here, and we're going to click on Image and come down and look at the scale image. And there's going to be one change. I'm going to click into pixels inch. So right now this is 1600 pixels by 2560 pixels, which is the size you need for a book cover. And the resolution is just a tiny bit under 300. And that's high resolution. So the first thing we're going to do is change this to 72. Okay, by changing this to 72, this remains the same. Okay, so we're going to scale it. Okay, it doesn't look like anything happened, but that's okay. Now we're going to do File, Export As, and then we're going to call this one, the name of the book, Shrinking-1, Export. Now I'm going to get rid of this one, and I'm going to pull in the recent one I just saved, Shrinking-1, and I'm going to go back to Scale Image. And now I'm checking, and the resolution is now down to 72. That's good. Now, 72 goes into 300 a little bit more than 4 times. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the width down to 400, which is a quarter of the 1600. So I'll put this here, and if this is connected here, it's going to do the math for me and bring this height up to 640. And now I'm going to click scale, and you'll see it shrunk it quite a bit. So now I'm going to export this, and I'm going to change the name from Shrinking-1 to Cover Web. And if you want to, in the beginning, you could put 72 dpi and then export. And then you will know when you're looking in your file that the 72 dpi, that's the one you're going to use for social media. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. If you learned something, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.